même présenté au polo. Pas beaucoup même présenté au polo. Où j'avais moins bah mon solo. Où j'avais moins bah mon solo. À chaque fois que
Hi guys, hi beautiful people, how are you all doing, guys? It's been like long since I posted a video on this YouTube street, but we are here today, guys. So I came out to do this video because this hairstyle cannot go in vain without a video. No. This is a new color braids that I bought, and after the price that I paid to do this hairstyle, it cannot go in vain without a video on this YouTube street. So yeah, so guys, how are you all doing? Please, before I start this video, please subscribe, comment, like, share my videos. And so I'm here to share with you guys. I was invited into an event called Ladies Break on the 12th, on the 12th of March, which was Sunday. And this event, I think that they must redo this event, do it again, because it was a very nice event. But to attend these events, you must have money. Yes, you must have the cash. But this event was only for ladies, no men allowed, no kids allowed. It was just for ladies. But the event, it is called Ladies Break. Yeah, it name has it all, Ladies Break. Yes, we need a break. We ladies, we women need a break. So like finding myself in a place where there was only women, that was a nice one. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I bought from this event, and I'm gonna be telling you guys like how I find how this place was, and I'm also gonna be leaving some clips for you guys to see how the place was decorated and how there was plenty things to buy and to eat and drink also. So first of all, I bought myself this bonnet, this hair bonnet for my braids. Yes, this is it. It is written Atanga Bote Datu. Here is it. It has two sides, the white and the blue. So next, I've not even opened this way. When reaching on the place, they offer you this fan. I've not even opened it. It is written Champagne Nicola Fiat. It's the name of a champagne. Yes, so we needed this thing. Very important. We didn't pay for this one. So, I'll be telling you all the prices if I remember. I bought this bonnet at 13 euros. It was 15 euros, but they had discount. They had sale on some items. So I bought this one at 13 euros instead of 15 euros. Yes. After, I bought this glass wine or whatever, I don't know what it is called. It is written Ladies Break on top on it. I bought it at 25 euros. It was quite expensive though, 25 euros, but I needed to make myself happy for once. I had to forget about kids and focus on myself for once, make myself happy. Yeah. So in this little bag, I bought myself glasses. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Most of the times I wear my glasses, like as you can see. And yeah, I bought myself this shades, these sunglasses. Tell me what do I look like? Hey, am I beautiful? Ha. See fine babe. Ha. See fine babe. A good thing there was no man invited in this place, because if there was to be any man in this place, I think I would go back home with I think I would go back home with a babe on this day. So again, inside this bag, I also have this little bag. So I bought the sunglasses at 20 euros. Yep. So inside this bag, okay, I bought this beautiful bracelet. This beautiful bracelet. Very nice. I just love it. See, this is a bracelet that I bought myself. I think I got this bracelet at yeah, 20 euro also. This bracelet was 20 euros. Please, if you are hearing any noise in the background, please, this 1,000, forget about it, please. So I bought the bracelet at 20 euros. I also bought this, I don't know how you call this, but it's a bracelet which passes through the finger. See, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. So yeah, I bought this at I think it's 25 or 30 euro. I bought this at 30 euros. Yes. I love these little things, so that's what I got for myself. Like I said, when going to this kind of event, it's money. Money must be there talking. I also bought myself from this little bag. It came in this necklace, a chain or necklace, I don't know. I bought this. I loved the pendant that it has. I only bought this because of this. See, and you see this pendant. Let me see if I could show you better, guys. See, wow. I just love and love this. See, hey, can you guys see? See fine babe. Ha. So I bought this. This was 55 euros and it had a 20% off discount. So it came 44. I bought it at 44 euros. Yeah, 44 euros. At first it was expensive for the 55 euros. I was in two minds, hesitating, should I take this or not? Because of the pendant, I really loved this. So I said, why not once in a while make myself happy? So I went for it. Okay. I also bought myself a pair of earrings. I'm not the type of person wearing big earring. As you can see, I do not wear big earring. So I just went for this small earring. It opens like this, closes like this. I went for this. I don't know if you guys can see. I went for this. I just love it. So I'm gonna be rocking it. I bought this earring at I think it's 15 euros. I bought it at 15 euros. This is gold plated. I bought this earring at 15 euros. If I had to go in a normal store, in a normal store to buy this earring, I think that it would be over 30 euros or 40 euros. But there I got it at 15 euros, and the price is good for the price. Then I went for this anklets. Beautiful anklets. Can you guys see? Can you guys see this? Beautiful anklets. See, I went for this anklet, which I love so much. I so love this anklet. I bought this anklet at 25 euros, 25 or 30 euros, one of, I can't really remember. I bought this anklet. I so love this anklet. I will leave a picture with it in my feed so you guys can see how it fits me. And the last but not the least, I guess, I went for this. This, you can use it as a ring, like a ring there, just there, or it's or you can also use it as a toe ring. But yeah, I was just in love with this, so I just went for it. It was on sale also. I bought it at 12 euros. If I had to buy it in a normal store, I think that I would got this at 25 euros like this. But yes, yesterday, that day was a day to remember. I thank my cousin for telling me about this place, and we went to this place. Like I couldn't ask for more of this place. I just needed more money. But I enjoyed myself. Yes, everything went well. This place was just a place for women, talk about women dancing and all, and gisting, and I will be leaving some clips and some pictures so you guys can see.
It's you and me. Baby, it's you and me. Baby, don't worry, and baby, don't fret. Baby, don't cry. Baby, don't worry, and baby, don't fret. Baby, don't cry. Life is hard sometimes, but we can survive. Life is so hard sometimes, but we can survive. We can work and make it if we try, just as long as you will satisfy. So give me good loving, girl, tonight. Give me good loving, girl, tonight. Give me good loving, girl, tonight. it's you and me. Baby, don't worry and baby, don't fret. Baby, don't cry. Baby, don't worry and baby, don't fret. Baby, don't cry. Life is so hard sometimes, but we can survive. Life is so hard.
So guys, if you have watched my video till now and you like what you saw, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, guys, and also give this video a big thumbs up like I said, and also hit the red button so anytime I upload a new video you will be the first to be notified, guys. And guys, please tell me if I'm beautiful with my hairstyle or not, because I paid if I tell you this price, the price of this hair, you will tell me that I'm joking. I paid this hair 60 euros. 60 euros to do this hair. So I can just go like this without making a beautiful video for you guys. See me, see fine babe. Hey. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one. So for now, bye.
Baby, vaut mieux nous prendre mon lot.